Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware: a 2DP Bluetooth receiver, Class D amp, driver, battery, and charger. Once you have parts, mount the receiver and amp inside the enclosure to minimize wire length and noise. Make secure solder joints and use heat shrink to prevent shorts. While you solder, enable Bluetooth audio mode on the smartwatch so it can pair later. This ensures you won't have software surprises when connecting. Make sure polarity and voltage on the amp match the battery before you power up. Next, you wire power and signal. Connect the battery through the charger board or fuse to the amp and receiver. Once wired, connect receiver left/right outputs to the amp inputs and secure all solder joints. Power the assembly briefly and confirm status LEDs. This verifies voltage and prevents damage. Then put the enclosure lid loosely on and put your smartwatch into Bluetooth discovery. Pair the watch to the receiver module. Once paired, set the watch's audio output to the new device and play a test sound to verify signal flow. Finalize assembly by fixing components with hot glue or screws, tuning internal damping with foam, and attaching the driver grill. You should adjust amp gain and smartwatch volume to avoid clipping, and tweak equalization on the watch app if available to get balanced bass and clarity. Once finished, test playback across tracks and distance. If audio drops or pairing fails, reset the receiver module, check for codec mismatches, and make sure both devices' firmware and Bluetooth profiles support A2DP. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.